Assalamu alaikum dear student. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and enjoy your vacations as school closed again by COVID-19. It's important that precautions are taken both inside and outside the home to prevent the spread of COVID-19. I hope you all follow the SOPs of government. Now start our lecture. As we know, we done A to P alphabets in class before midterm. Now we take start from alphabet Q, in which we learn about how to write it, how we read it, what is the sound of Q, and also learn about some words which start from Q. It is uppercase Q, it is lowercase q. Uppercase Q, lowercase q. What is the sound of Q? Quack, quack, quack. Q, quack. Like the sound of duck. Like the sound of duck. Okay, we read it. Q, quack, queen. Q, quack, queen. The queen word start from Q. Q, quack, queen. Now we read Q, quack, quilt. Q, quack, quilt. Quilt word start from Q. Q, quack, quilt. Now you open your English workbook 2. English workbook 2. Open your page number 17, in which we first read Q, quack, quail. Q, quack, quail. Q, quack, quail. Now we learn how we write it. First you make big circle on upper three lines for uppercase Q and small slighting line. For lowercase q, you circle on middle two lines and drag it down and slanting line. Again we practice of Q. Uppercase Q write on upper three line. Lowercase q write on lower three line. Uppercase Q, it's lowercase q. I hope you all understand it. Please practice on workbook page number 17 and also work on your copies. Now you take out your reader number 4. Reader number 4. D-O-T, dot. Open your reader, dot, in which we know the letters W, F, O, H. W, F, O, H. Words we know H, A, D, hat. M, A, N, man. B, A, G, bag. H, A, D, hat. M, A, N, man. B, A, G, bag. P, I, N, pin. P, I, N, pin. O, F, off. O, F, off. B, I, T, bit. B, I, T, bit. M, U, G, mug. M, U, G, mug. A, N, N. A, N, N. B-U-T, but. B-U-T, but. D-I-D, did. D-I-D, did. O-N, on. O-N, on. R-U-G, rug. R-U-G, rug. What we learn? W-F-O-H. H-A-D, had. M-A-N, man. B-A-G, bag. P-I-N, pin. O-F, off. B-I-T, bit. M-U-G, mug. A-N-N, B-U-T, but. D-I-D, dit. O-N, on. R-U-G, rug. New sounds. O. O as it sounds in dot. D, O, T. D, O, T. D, O, T. Dot. Special words. The, of. The, of. We learn page number 1. D, O, T. Dot. D, O, T. D, O, T. D, O, T. Dot. It's your first lesson. Date 3/12. Please learn it. Allah Hafiz. Thank you so much.